Welcome back here with our continuing coverage on the Arushi verdict. In fact, minutes from now, the quantum of sentence for the Talwars is all set to be announced. Arguments on sentencing in the Arushi Hemraj double murder case is already concluded, and the CBI has demanded maximum punishment for the Talwars. Well, we've still got former IB chief Mr. Arun Bhagat, who has been breaking down details of this case for us, helping us understand really the position as far as the CBI is concerned, as far as the huge build-up to this case is concerned. Mr. Bhagat, what also perhaps becomes a strong point for the CBI at this point in time is that the argument, we're not just talking about one murder, but double murders in this case.
Oh yes, that would be certainly a factor. And that the court would take cognizance of. The court would definitely give it an important consideration. There's no doubt about that.
And also, this whole category of the rarest of rare cases, help us understand this. We've heard this coming in from Naresh Yadav, CBI asking for maximum punishment, categorizing it in the rarest of rare category. It's building really on that sensitive parent-child relationship, which is perhaps why we're seeing this strict kind of, line of positioning that has been taken by the court just yesterday.
I think you've put a very difficult question, because there has not been a single verdict. There has been various interpretations, and I think it finally goes down to the interpretation which is given by the court of the incidents which took place and the murder or the deaths which accrued thereafter. So there is, the court has tried to make some definitions, give some parameters, some this thing, but then I think they are very varied, and ultimately it comes down to what finally the judges decide upon.